In this video, I will show you what is lot size calculator for the US 100. The link for this calculator will be below in the description, but also you will have an article that explains a little bit more details about this symbol, how to calculate the lot size. You will have also an information how to calculate the lot size based on the risk and also based on the stop loss number of pips. Have one note on your mind, and that is very important, that here inside the calculator you have a contract size that is defined as a one lot is equal to 1 unit of the base currency. And that means that 1 pip will be equal to $0.01. I will explain that a little bit more later inside with an example. You will see what that means. Let me show you first what are the fields here in the lot size calculator for the US 100. First field is the field where you define the instrument that you would like to calculate. Here it is US 100, but you can change that to any number, any symbol here. Then you have here a deposit currency field. I have put this one to US dollar because my trading account is set to US dollar. If you have any other currency, set your trading account, or you would like just to make the calculation in any other deposit currency, you can use this one, the drop-down menu, to select any other currency. Then you have here open price, where the price at which the trade will be open, and you have here a stop loss price. Remember that you can also switch that calculation to put a stop loss in the number of pips. So if you are using the pips in your calculation to set a stop loss, simply click this one here and the calculator will switch to this version. I will use this one, and I will use a stop loss in pips which will be equal to 100 pips. Then you have here a field where you define the account balance. I have put $10,000 because my trading account is set to $10,000. So I would like to make the calculation with the same amount I have on the account inside trading platform. You can put also any other value here. Then you have here US 100 1 pip size, and it is set to 0.01, which tells you at the market price for the US 100, the second decimal point is 1 pip. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current price is 14789.5080, and it is for the US Tech 100. You can see it has 2 decimal points, which means when the price changes on the second decimal point, currently set to 0, when it changes to 1, that will mean that the price is changed by 1 pip. And we have here another field, which is a risk. Here inside the field you need to enter desired risk in this calculation. So you can put this risk in percentage or in the deposit currency. You can switch between them. I will put in percentage because I would like to calculate how much money, and that means 1% of $10,000. That will be equal to $100. When you click calculate, it will not work. Remember that you have the question mark because you need to calculate lot size based on the contract size. So first of all, before moving forward, you need to know what is the contract size defined with your broker. Remember that each broker has different contract size. So for the US 100, you need to see what is the contract size for the one lot for this pair with your broker. To check that, you can also call your broker, or you can go in the trading platform, click right mouse button here where this pair is, click specification. You will get information that the contract size is set to 1, which means one lot is equal to 1 unit. So you put this number here, click calculate, and you get how much lots. In this case, you need to enter into the trade to get the value defined here. And that means you need to enter, just a minute, let's move here to the trading platform and let me show you an example. Let's open pending order, which will open in the future, and at the market price, for example, let's put here to 15500, 15,500, okay? And let's put a stop loss that will be equal to 100 pips, and 100 pips would be equal to 15,501 because this is the 100 pips. Then we can take and set here, sorry, it should be below, stop loss should be below because we are opening and we are opening a buy order. So this should be set to 4, just a minute, that should be up 499. Okay, this is 100 pips, and we can open here 5501. And here it is, the lot size. So it says this lot size calculator, we should open a trade with 100 lots. Let's open with 100 lots. Click place. Oh, sorry, here we need to enter a price again. 1500. Okay. Place. Sorry, let's check what is the problem. 15,500. Take profit. Stop loss. Buy limit. The volume. Oh, sorry, the price should be below this. Sorry, it should be below. Let's put this one to 14. Let's 14.1. Let's put this one to 14.0. Sorry, 14.99. 14.099. Here it is, 100 pips, and let's put this one here to 14.101. Click place. Here is the trade. Here is the stop loss and take profit. Let's put here a 1 minute time frame, and let's check here the trade. It will be a little bit hard to check this one here because you can see it's not possible to see this one. Let's see what we can do here. We need to open an order very close to this current market price. Let's open the trade at 14.78. Let's close this one. Let's change this one to 14.78. 14.78. Stop loss will be at 14.799. Sorry, 799, and the take profit would be at 14.781. Modify. Here it is. Great. Now we can see the stop loss and take profit. Let's check the stop loss. That will be equal to, we can see it here, that the profit would be minus $100. So you can see this lot size calculator has helped us to define how much lot we should use in the calculation in the opening a trade to get $100 as a stop loss risk with 100 pips. So this is the way how to use the lot size calculator to calculate the lot needed based on your risk, which is set to number of pips or the percentage on your account balance. If you have any questions regarding this lot size calculator, feel free to ask and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!